Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chandrashekar signing in from the Trade Empire. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about post-market analysis of Bank Nifty dated 27/10/2021. On this day, market witnessed higher volatility. Even I suffered small losses today. Let's discuss about the trades that I have taken, which I had updated in my premium group. So today morning, my view on Bank Nifty was put option side. Why? Because So the reason is pretty simple. Bank Nifty seems to be taking support at this particular trend angle and resistance at this particular trend angle. Since the market opened gap down and formed a strong bearish candle, so I was expecting a retracement here till somewhere to this support, and from this point I was expecting a pullback. So based on this, at 9:35 a.m., I updated to buy 41,100 PE above 223, but it didn't entry made. That means that trade didn't get act. So again at 9:45 a.m. So I sensed Bank Nifty will going to be on upside. So based on this, I updated a view on call option side. So to buy 1200 C above 273. If you see the timing, I updated around 9:45, but the stock straight away shoot up after a minute. It shoot up to 358, which is approximately 85 to 90 points. It didn't give enough time to take entry. So this is a trade which I missed. If I would have taken this trade, I would have made around 2000 rupees per lot on this particular trade, but I missed a chance. So the reason for updating this trade is pretty simple. So Bank Nifty taking support at this particular trend angle. So it didn't show any sign of breaking this trend angle and giving a rally. So since it was taking reversal at this particular point, based on this area, I updated this call. It went as I expected, but unfortunately, no one could able to take this trade. So again, at 10 a.m. So let's look at the candle. Yes. So this is where I updated. This is the candle of 9:55. The closing of this candle was around 10 a.m. So based on this candle, I updated one more trade. So my stop loss was somewhere around here. So it was a small stop loss, which is 26 points. So the reason for taking this trade is so since Bank Nifty has opened gap down and it has reversed from this support line, so it came till here. So again it has retraced a bit. It has formed a good strong candle that it will go till this trend angle. So this was my first target actually. So after touching this, if the trend seems to be stronger, it will break this resistance, and my second target was around somewhere around here, because this is the region of my second target. So but the uptrend seems to be very much weak since the market wasn't ranging, so it didn't went as I expected. My stop loss hit on this particular trade. I lost around 26 points per lot on this trade. So again I waited till 10:20. Let's look at the candle of 10:20. Yeah, this is the candle. On the basis of this candle, I updated. So this trade entry didn't made because after formation of this candle, the market straight away went down till here and started moving above the opening of this candle. So I updated this trade uh, above this low price. So my first target was again this trend angle. It's like a small scalping or a small cost to cost exit. So if the trend seems to be very much strong, it would break this support line and my target would be somewhere around here. This was my uh, target, but at this point my entry didn't made. I didn't take any trade, so I waited again at 10:40. Yes, based on this breakout candle, so I updated again. This trade also entered in made. So the criteria would be the same of the previous call. So again, at what time I updated? Around 12, I think. Yes, 41,100 PE. Let's look at the candle. Yes, here based on this candle, this is a candle. Since market was trading like this, so almost the reason for updating this trade at 12 o'clock is because see, this is a trend angle, right? So the trend, these two lines are about to meet. That means either it would break out on lower side or it would break out on upper side. So since I was getting confirmation, and since from the morning my view was on downside, so based on this I took this trade, but unfortunately this trade hit my stop loss. So it didn't made rally as I expected. Again, so I waited. So again I updated one more call on P side itself at 12:45. Let's look at the candle. 12:45, which is the candle. Yes, based on this candle, so I updated based on this candle. Like the very next candle which opened should sustain below the low of this candle, but it didn't happen as I expected. It went opposite direction, so I ignored trades and I stopped. Even although I booked 50 points loss in today's trading session, so I didn't want to trade because market has created a range. See, look at the range, today's range, and this range is almost wider range. I could have scalped. I was just hoping market will trend at somewhere point here, 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 here. I just waited for a breakout, but it didn't happen as I expected. Although, not worries, I booked only 50 points profit. Yesterday, I made around 180 points profit. It doesn't bother me. So there's a tomorrow in market, we have to accept the losses. We cannot expect profits all the day. So I was expecting a breakout at some point, either on upside or a downside. At this point I just started doing some book trading. I expected actually it will break down on lower side. Since you can see my premium group, there I have updated more calls on P side itself, so my view was on P side itself, but at this point I missed it. Even I didn't feel like trading. I got a confirmation market give hard somewhere around this breakout. For few seconds I could have placed the order here, but I really didn't feel like taking this trade because it was not in my entry range. In terms of profits, the day went really bad, but in terms of lesson, the day went really good. Hope these videos are helping you to learn many things. Keep watching. So if you are not a subscriber to my channel, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also click on the bell icon for notification alerts. Please do encourage me by commenting something related to videos and what are the videos you like that I should do in YouTube. So hope these videos are helping you to learn many things. Thanks for watching.